Hello and welcome to my channel. This is we're going to continue our Minecraft, and like we have created a craft machine, but we haven't created like, how do you call it, like what you heat up the meal with it. So let's write to it. I would like to add to survival animals that we can kill and then heat it up using the heat up machine and coal. Okay guys, let's send it in and let's wait for Claude's reply. Okay, let's click up the survival mode. Oh my god guys, we got a ship over here. Why is it so lagging? Look at the ship. Can I kill it? It's really... Yes, I killed it and I got 3 lollipops. 3 lollipops. What is this? Why did I get 3 lollipops? Look at this, guys. How do I even eat them? But it's written hand raw meat. It's raw meat, but it's not. Let's kill this pork. Or what's it called? I got 5 more lollipops. So, okay, we got some things to fix. First of all, why is it lagging so bad? Second of all, we have to put a survival place. Third of all, animals can jump and stuff because here they can clearly jump. And finally, we have to stop the lagging. And what is this lollipop? We have to add some real meat. And let's see if I can craft that thing to heat up. Coal block, stone bricks, sandstone furnace. Here it is. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.